Alexis is residing at General Aguinaldo Street. She is 19 years of age and studying at the University of Makati. Alex is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Henry and Melanie Panal. She works as a service crew at McDonald's. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, candidate number 9, Alexis Francesca Aquino Panal. Let us now proceed to the next candidate, candidate number 10,